Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run Google Ads on a small budget for e-commerce and still get effective results without overspending. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account using the button at the top right. If you're new, you can quickly create an account and get started. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard, which acts as your central control panel for campaigns, performance tracking, and optimization. From there, navigate to the Campaigns section. This is where you'll create and manage your ads. When working with a limited budget, it's important to define a clear goal, whether that's increasing traffic, generating sales, or building awareness. Having a focused objective helps you avoid wasting money. Next, move into the audience, keywords, and content settings. This is a crucial part of your strategy. Instead of targeting broad audiences, narrow your focus to reach people who are more likely to convert. Choosing relevant keywords ensures your ads appear for searches that actually matter to your business. As your campaign runs, keep monitoring performance metrics regularly. Data such as clicks, impressions, and conversions will guide your decisions. Small adjustments over time can lead to better results without increasing your spending. Overall, success with a small budget comes down to precision, consistency, and smart optimization rather than spending more money. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.